No more now. No more, no more, no more. No more now. We don't want no war. We don't need no more war. No more now. We don't need no more war. No more now. We had enough of that. We had enough of that. We don't need no more war. We don't need no more of that. We don't need no more guns. We have enough of them. We don't need no more war. We had enough of that. We had enough of that. We don't need no more war. We have enough of that. We have enough of bomb. We have enough of God. Play the music. Play the music. Up the street. Why wage more war? Why wage more war? Why wage more war? Why wage more war? We have enough of that. We don't need no more of that. We don't need no more guns. We have enough of that. We have enough of that. We have enough of that. bloodshed from each other. We have enough of that. How could we call ourselves a civilized society? We don't need no more war. We had enough of that. We don't need no more war. Look at the history of humanity. No war. Yeah, easy to. Here we go. New York City! Hi, Heights. Reggae music in the house tonight. Yeah, man. Just to make a little comment, you know, we don't really need the war.